Magnitude 4.3 earthquake at depth 7 km strikes central Italy on the 4th of August, 2026. Earthquake subject to change. Italy sits along a complex tectonic boundary influenced by the convergence of the African Plate and the Eurasian Plate. This region experiences frequent seismic activity, with central Italy known for both moderate and damaging earthquakes. The Apennine mountain range, which runs down the spine of the country, is a key zone of crustal deformation and fault movement. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.